Welcome to our tutorial on how to show the important label in Gmail on your PC. The important label in Gmail helps you prioritize and manage your important emails effectively. If you want to show the important label and have quick access to your important emails, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Labels from the top menu. Step 5. Look for the important label, and next to it, click on Show. By showing the important label, you can easily spot and prioritize your important emails, ensuring that you never miss any crucial information. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.